Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today we're going to make a chip chop and this is a chip chop. Let's start. So I'm going to tell you what we need. We need some scissors, a paper, pencil, and some coloring pencils. Okay, let me show you first. We're going to fold it like a triangle. So we're going to make the paper straight like this. Like this. Okay? Now we're going to cut the bottom one here, the line down here, okay? Okay, let's cut it. You know, a chip chop is actually a game, guys. It's a game, and it's a pretty fun game. You can play with your mom, dad, or your friends. Okay, our paper is like this. Okay, now let's start by opening it, our paper. And now we're going to close this way. We're going to close it this way. You see this, then this way. Now we're going to stack it on. You see our paper here. There's different, it's like a square. Now, we're going to make it like this. You have to do this to all the sides and make your paper point to here in the middle. Okay, almost done. Okay, I'm done. Now our paper is like this. We're going to flip it on the other side. And we're going to do the same thing like this on the other side. And the chip chop is going to be a fun thing to make because you have to color it. Okay, now we did it. Now we're going to fold it just like this. Open, fold. And it's like this. Gonna do one more fold. And let's open it. Now, we're going to get it open. So, how to open it? I usually have to practice how to open it. Practice makes perfect. And this is a chip chop. It's like the same like this. Okay, now we're gonna color it in. You have to open it, and you can copy me if you want. First, I'm gonna use this pink coloring pencil. And for a chip chop, you have to color the whole square to make it perfect. If you want white spaces, that's fine. I also do that. And it's okay. You can also color one triangle in each. Like this, okay? Let's continue. Next color, I don't know, it's this color, but it looks pretty nice. I think it's green. Okay, let's color it in. You can also use different colors. These four are my favorite colors, and I'm using this one, and this is how it turns out. And you know, you can play this chip chop with your family, friends, what I just said. You can play with anyone. Okay? Okay, I'm going to use some peach. Peach is also my favorite color. All my favorite colors are turquoise, pink, peach, purple, and blue. Those are all my favorite colors, guys, because all of those colors are my favorite. Okay. let's keep on coloring in. The last part, we're going to color in the last box. Okay, I'm going to use it with green this time. Okay. Green is also my favorite color. This is a pretty nice green, by the way. Looks like a nice green. In a chip chop, you can use 4 colors, or you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors, because there's some lines in the chip chop, and you can color half side, like half. Like, let me show you, half here and half here. That equals 8. Okay, now let's do the numbers. We're going to do the numbers until 8, so all we need is a pencil. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this is how you do it. Now we have to write something inside in each of all of these things. We can also trick our mom and dad. Okay, I'm going to do 5 jumps. J, A, M, P, S. Okay, jumps. 5 jumps. Next one. Which one should I choose? 10 squats. Squat. 10 squats like this. I'm sounding it out if you want to copy it. 2 more to go. What else should we do, guys? Maybe 2 push-ups. P, A, S, H, and then U, and then the P. Last one. All my ideas are running out. I got a good one. 5 dances. The, A, N, S, E, 5 dances. Okay. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna open our chip chop. So we're going to fold it again and do the same thing that we just did. So I'm going to get this chip chop and we're done. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more videos, then you can check on YouTube. Bye.